As you saw in the thumbnail, today I want to tell you the best way to learn English with ChatGPT. And one thing I want to tell you, if you are getting some extra background noise, then I'm really sorry. Actually, some construction work is going on. Okay, some works are going on. So definitely you will get some extra noise. But try to focus on main video. Okay, main message. Don't here and there because it's a background work, not the main framework. So I want to tell you that I tried learning English with ChatGPT for 7 days, and honestly, the result shocked me. In just 1 week, my confidence changed completely. If you are struggling to speak English, this video can change everything. Hello, everybody. How are you all? I hope all you are doing amazing. Welcome back to new another video. If you are new here, then I want to let you know my name is Rimjhim and I help you improve your English in a simple and practical ways. A few days back, I had a question in my mind. Can ChatGPT really help someone to speak English fluently, or is it just hype? So I tried to check that. And the result was really best. I can say the best because in this generation, if someone can help you, if I can say the real mentor, okay, without us spending a single penny, you can just improve your English using ChatGPT. You don't need a mentor, you don't need a partner. Just things will become easy if you use ChatGPT. Just one tool you have to use. Not theory, not boring grammar, but a practical system you can start today and keep continuing this for next 7 days. You will break the fear and start speaking confidently. Day 1 reality check. On day 1, I opened ChatGPT to learn English. But guess what? I was totally confused. Okay, no plan, no method, nothing. Just desire to learn English, how to improve my English. Yeah, I know the same problem you have. And if you watch any random video, you will start believing that video that yes, that is guiding you in a correct way to learn English with ChatGPT. But trust me, nothing is going to work for you because on day 1, if you follow any steps like learning grammar rules, memorizing those rules, then definitely you are not going to do well. First, you need to be comfortable with English. So my day 1 ended in some questions and confusion. Questions like what is English, how to become fluent in English, how to learn English fast. And same like me, you are going to search all these questions because as a beginner, as a English learner, you have all these questions because you want to become fluent. So definitely you will search all these questions, and literally ChatGPT will give you perfect and detailed answers. You will be satisfied. Satisfaction in the sense because whatever the question you have, you will get the perfect answer. So definitely you are going to satisfy, and you will just scroll the page. Okay, just like me, I did the same. I was just scrolling the page, so I know it really well. You can relate this if you did ever. Okay, and one honest question I want to ask you here, like, are you able to understand this video, whatever I am speaking? If yes, then only watch this full video. Okay, and on your day 1 learning English, you have to get comfortable with English, so you have to give one prompt to ChatGPT. Okay, ask ChatGPT to talk with you. Okay, and just keep the conversation moving. See, I have written, it's my day 1 of learning English. Just talk to me, anything. Conversation should be going on. See how ChatGPT reply. Perfect. Day 1 is all about just speaking without fear. I will keep it super simple and natural. Just reply in English even it's broken. Me it means chat GPT. Hi, how are you today? Now you reply, it means ये मुझे बोल रहा है कि आप reply करो अब. Even a small answer is okay. So I have written okay. Now chat GPT. Nice, but try a full sentence. Say like this. आई एम ओके और आई एम फाइन जब आपको आंसर नहीं भी आता है तो ये उस पर देता है रिप्लाई, ओके करेक्ट करता है आपको. नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू. मी, what did you do today? Don't think too much, just try. Even broken English is okay. I did my regular activity. Good, that's a nice sentence. ये appreciate भी करता है. When you write perfectly, then it appreciates also. Okay. But mistakes देखो कैसे mistake आपका find करेगा और बताएगा भी. Let's make it a little more natural. I did my regular activities. Plural sounds better. Now let's continue. Me, what is your regular activity? Try to answer in a simple way like I wake up, eat, I study, etc. I wrote okay. Good, but again try to speak in a full sentence. Like बार बार बोलता है कि पूरा sentence लिखिए. Let's try it together. You can say like this: My regular activities are waking up, eating, and studying. Now your turn. पूरा बताया भी sentence और just मुझे speaking practice करना है इसके साथ. Me, what is your regular activity? Write 1 2 simple sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. और बार बार ये भी बताता है कि mistakes के बारे में सोचे ना. I woke up, I freshened up, I took shower, I ate my breakfast. Nice. You are doing well for a day one. Let's just make it a little more natural. I woke up, I freshened up, I took a shower, and I ate my breakfast. So this is how it helps. Means ChatGPT helps. Okay. Day 2, you have to check how it responds to your incorrect questions. But again, I want to remind you something very important. Are you able to understand? Because this video is only for them who understands English little bit, not for them who just started learning English. Okay, so you have to check on day 2. You have to check that does it correct your mistakes. Okay, for an example, you can just write I go market yesterday and ask correct it. It will correct. Okay, I went to the market yesterday. And after that, if you ask that what grammar rule has been used, it will guide you there also. Day 3, build sentences. On this day, you have to ask ChatGPT about 10 daily using sentences. Okay, you have to read all these sentences carefully. Okay, this is not going to help you much more, but yeah, it will give you one thing. It will make you habitual of speaking in your day to day life, because 10 daily using sentences, it means you are going to gain confidence that yes, you can speak English in your everyday life. Day 4 is my personal favorite, role play. Okay, now you have to ask ChatGPT to act like a shopkeeper. And the second, take my interview. Third, act like my friend. Now I am gonna show you how you can do this. Okay, actually this prepares you for real life conversation. This is the benefit. So here I am going to show you. This is going to be a role play. So I have written, I want a role play with you of a shopkeeper. Sure. It writes, sure, I will be the shopkeeper, you are the customer. It means ये मुझे बोलता है कि आप customer रहो, मैं shopkeeper. Shopkeeper, hello ma'am, welcome to my shop. What would you like to buy today? I have written some groceries. Shopkeeper, of course, what groceries do you need today? We have rice, milk, bread, vegetables, snacks, and many more things. Then I wrote rice and bread. Shopkeeper, sure, how much rice would you like? And which bread do you want, white bread or brown bread? Just 10 kgs and white bread. Shopkeeper, okay, 10 kilos of rice and 1 white bread. Anything else you would like to buy? No, nothing. Shopkeeper, all right, your total is 650 rupees. Will you pay by cash or online? I will pay cash. So this is the way you have to practice, like you have to do role play. Okay. Day 5, speak on topics. If you find it's tough to speak on a topic, then find some simple topics like my family, my daily routine, my life, my surroundings, etc. Okay, you have to speak on these topics only for 2 minutes. And next, day 6, confidence test. On this day, you have to speak on any topic 3 to 5 minutes. You have to record yourself, then compare your day 1 with day 6. Okay, just you have to compare and see the difference. Day 7, actually, you have to avoid some mistakes while learning with ChatGPT that most of the learners make. Like you are learning English with ChatGPT, but what you will do, you will think like you will start reading like you are reading something, some stuffs in Google. Like you get answers, so you will read like this, that, those, okay, like this. But it's not going to help you. You have to speak. Okay, you have to speak that, you have to practice that, you have to read that loudly. Your knowledge doesn't matter. If you want to speak, then only one thing matters, that is your action. Okay, you want to become fluent, then you have to take actions. This is about learning English with ChatGPT. I hope you liked my video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye.